Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install the Pop OS, one of the best Linux distributions for new and even more experienced users. It's really easy to use. Where should it work? Well, on most 64-bit computers, from a new gaming beast to some 10 years old laptop. I'll do it by deleting all partitions on the SSD or the hard drive, so make a backup. Current operating system and other files will be gone. Copy every important file you have on some other computer, USB stick, OneDrive, Google Drive, or somewhere else. First, I'll download the Pop OS ISO image. You can choose for the Intel or the AMD graphics or for the NVIDIA graphics. After that download, I'll use Rufus to put the ISO image on the USB stick. Basically, you choose the ISO image and put it to the USB stick that is at least 4 GB in size or more. When you have the ISO image on the USB stick, turn off your PC, go into the BIOS and boot from the USB stick. This is different for different manufacturers. Probably rapidly stroking delete F2, F10, F11 or F12 key just after your PC is turned on. I'll use virtual machine to show the installation, but steps are equal no matter where you install it. Just follow my steps and I'll see you and your Pop OS installed very shortly. After that, I would recommend going to a browser and enabling secure DNS. Just open Firefox, go to settings, scroll all the way down, network settings, and just enable DNS over HTTPS. After that, I would recommend downloading firewall. I already have it installed, so I'll open it. And after that, just enable it and change profile to public. In the end, it is very important to install system updates. For that, you can use popshop or I'll use terminal. So I'll write sudo apt update. After that, sudo apt upgrade and wait for the installation to finish. After that, restart your device and type sudo apt auto remove. That last command will remove all unnecessary packages from your device. So that's basically it. Guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.